Hey everyone, today we're going to draw cute bunnies.
Yeah, and what do bunnies like eating?
Carrots.
Carrots. Right, you got your pen?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw our bunny. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is going to draw the top of our carrot, and that's where the bunny's going to be holding it. So if you follow me, I'm going to draw a little line that curves around and down, just like that. And that's going to be the top of our carrot. A little bit lower. Yeah, about there. So that, and then a lot. Okay, that's good. All right. And then from the side, we're going to draw a bunny's head. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the little stem of our carrot.
Yes.
So I'm going to draw a carrot stem, just like that. Just little one. Very
Big
good.
one. Mommy one.
Cool. Okay. And then just above the stem, we're going to start with our carrot's nose. Oh, not our carrot's nose. Carrots don't have noses. Our bunny's nose. Okay, so our bunny's nose is kind of like a triangle. that was funny. So we're going to draw a little upside down triangle. Yeah, a little bit lower. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah, that's it. And then our bunny's mouth comes out from the bottom of the...
It looks like a pizza cup.
Kind of looks like a slice of pizza, the nose. Yeah, that's right. And we're going to draw a little mouth coming out the side. There we go. Perfect. Then we're going to draw Bunny's eyes.
It's like an 8.
And we'll start with Bunny's eyes, and they're going to be the same size. One on this side.
Here.
On the right side, a little bit more in. Oh, that's fine. No, that's fine. Yeah, well, you're good. Yeah. Over there. That's your eyes. And then another one on the side. Same size.
Diddy. Done.
Great, and then we're going to draw a little circle inside the top, one at the bottom. You got it. And we're going to color in
Don't miss the white bits.
Bunny's eyes.
Diddy, don't want to see any white bits.
No white bits. All right, you help me out there. Thank you. That's all. And I'm going to put some little eyelashes.
Mine is be a
Makes
baby.
a bunny really cute. Good job.
It looks like it's taking me long. So long.
That's okay. You don't have to rush. Next time what you can do is draw your little inner circles a little bit bigger. Because now we don't have too much white there. But that's okay, we practice and then we get better. So now what we're going to do is going to draw Bunny's head. Okay? Oh, you want some eyelashes too? Cool. Alright, so Bunny's head is going to go like this. At the bottom of our carrot, it's going to come round to the same height as the eye. So you can start here and come round to about there. So watch what I do. It goes like this.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like that. Yep. And then you can do the other side too. That's perfect. And then we're going to go around. We're going to connect it.
And put a bow on it. And put a bow on it.
You can put a bow on it if you want to. Background, perfect. Then we're going to draw Bunny's big ears. So Bunny's ears going to go towards the corner of the page and then back down. And another one on this side. There you go.
Don't forget the other one.
Don't forget the other one. And then we're going to draw another one inside. That's right, don't forget the other one. Yay, cute. All right, next thing we're going to do is going to draw Bunny's arms, and Bunny's arms are going to be hugging the carrot. But actually, before we draw the arms, I need to just draw some lines coming down. You don't need to do this because you already did it on your one, but you can add a bit more. And Bunny's arms is going to come down from its cheek, and we're just going to curl around.
Don't forget the rosy cheek.
Yeah, when we color it, we'll do some rosy cheeks. So it starts here at the cheek, and it comes around kind of like the number 6. So watch what I do. Comes down, comes around, and in
big.
And in like that.
Here.
Yeah. That's right.
Mine looks like
Yeah.
a no tail.
And then it goes down and around. Perfect. Other side is going to be the same. From the cheek, goes round, down, and then you go. Very good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Bunny's feet. Bunny's feet, we're going to draw two circle or oval-like shapes under her fluffy big paws. And they're going to go like this. We're going to draw. One there.
One hair.
Yep. Very good.
One hair.
And then one there. Don't have to rush. We can go quite slowly.
And then
Good
don't
Bunny's
forget the
shape.
big paws on it.
Yeah, and what we're going to do first, we're going to draw Bunny's side coming down, the other side, and then we're going to
Big
join it
fat
at the
bottom.
at the feet. Very good. And then we're going to add a nice little tail on the side.
You forgot something.
Really good. What did I forget? Well, we can color in our paws. We're going to color in our paws, but we did forget to finish our carrot. There we go. Finish our carrot.
Details.
Details, that's right. Then we can get some little lines in. Little carrots have little lines on them, don't they? Perfect. And that is a super cute carrot. I really like your bunny too. How nice is that? Super cute. It doesn't matter if our
I want to
drawings
do
aren't the same, isn't it? You can draw that, or we can draw it with colors, or you can draw the lines if you want. Those are cute cheeks. You're going to draw her little paws. Look at that. You're teaching me now. I'm going to do the same. And draw her paws. She can have 3.
And then
paws
we'll
there.
do another little baby circle.
Little baby
Yeah,
circle.
come in the tail.
Super cute. All right, you ready to color?
Yeah.
Awesome job.
Now.
Cool. Do you like your bunny?
Yeah.
I think they look super cute. I really like your bunny.
Mine
did.
looks cuter than yours.
Yours looks the cutest bunny I've ever seen. We done? Thanks for joining, guys. See you next time. Well done. High five. Cool. Good job, Summer.